In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in on Wix. When you're working inside the Wix editor, sometimes the default view makes things feel a little too small or too far away. That's where the zoom feature comes in. It lets you zoom in to fine-tune tiny details or zoom out to see how your entire page looks as a whole. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the zoom controls, how to use them, and a few tips to make your editing experience smoother. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix account and have your website open in the Wix editor. Once the editor has loaded, look toward the top of the screen. Up there, you'll see a toolbar with various options. Among those options, there's a small number with a % next to it. This is your zoom level. By default, it might say something like 100%, which means you're viewing the page at its normal size. To change the zoom, simply click on that % number. When you click it, a small menu or slider will appear, giving you different zoom options. You might see preset values like 50%, 75%, 100%, 125%, or more, depending on what Wix currently offers. Select a higher percentage if you want to zoom in and make everything appear larger. This is especially helpful if you're adjusting fonts, aligning icons, or working with small design elements that are hard to see from far away. If you feel too close to the page, or you want to get a better sense of the overall layout, choose a lower percentage. Zooming out lets you see how sections connect, how much spacing you have, and whether your design looks balanced from top to bottom. As you adjust the zoom level, remember that it only affects how you see the editor, not how visitors see your site. The actual size and layout of your website for visitors stays the same. The zoom is just a personal editing tool to help you work more comfortably and accurately. Take a moment to experiment with different zoom levels, especially when switching between detailed design tweaks and broader layout changes. Over time, you'll get a feel for which zoom level works best for different tasks. And that's it. By clicking on the % number at the top of the Wix editor and choosing the zoom level you prefer, you can quickly customize